Welcome to Motor Mania, your go-to channel for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue, a masterpiece that blends Ferrari's legendary performance with the versatility of an SUV. This high-performance machine continues to push boundaries, offering a perfect mix of power, luxury, and advanced technology. At the heart of the 2025 Purosangue is a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering breathtaking performance. It produces an impressive 725 horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque, ensuring thrilling acceleration and an unmistakable Ferrari soundtrack. Power is sent to all four wheels via an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, allowing the Purosangue to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.3 seconds. Ferrari's expertise in aerodynamics and weight distribution plays a crucial role, providing exceptional handling and stability at high speeds. The exterior of the Purosangue remains unmistakably Ferrari. Sleek lines, aggressive air intakes, and a bold front grille give it a commanding road presence. The active aerodynamics system enhances both performance and efficiency, adjusting elements like the front air intakes and rear diffuser to optimize airflow. The signature Ferrari LED headlights and sculpted hood add to its dynamic appeal, while the frameless doors and hidden rear handles maintain a sleek, coupe-like profile. The rear features a striking quad exhaust setup and an integrated spoiler that enhances downforce at high speeds. Step inside, and the Purosangue greets you with a driver-focused cockpit infused with luxury. Premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched leather adorn the interior. The twin cockpit layout ensures both the driver and front passenger get an immersive experience, with a fully digital instrument cluster and a separate display for the passenger. The new generation infotainment system features a high-resolution touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. A premium sound system developed by Ferrari provides an unparalleled audio experience, while the climate control system adapts automatically to deliver optimal comfort. One of the standout features of the Purosangue is its advanced all-wheel drive system, which enhances grip and stability across various driving conditions. The system intelligently distributes power between the front and rear wheels, ensuring maximum traction whether you're tackling winding roads or wet surfaces. Ferrari's four-wheel steering system further enhances agility, allowing for precise cornering and improved maneuverability at low speeds. The adaptive suspension system continuously adjusts damping settings based on road conditions and driving inputs, ensuring a perfect balance between comfort and performance. Ferrari has also equipped the Purosangue with cutting-edge driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system provide enhanced safety and convenience. The electronic stability control system works seamlessly with the vehicle dynamics software, ensuring confidence-inspiring handling even under aggressive driving conditions. The 2025 Purosangue is not just about performance, it also prioritizes practicality. The rear-hinged suicide doors provide easy access to the spacious rear seats, a rare feature in a Ferrari. The rear seating area offers ample legroom and headroom, making it a comfortable space for passengers. The cargo area is also more generous than traditional Ferrari models, providing enough space for weekend getaways or daily errands. The foldable rear seats further enhance versatility, allowing for increased storage capacity when needed. Fuel efficiency may not be the primary concern for Purosangue buyers, but Ferrari has implemented intelligent fuel-saving technologies. Cylinder deactivation helps improve efficiency during relaxed driving, while the lightweight chassis and aerodynamic enhancements contribute to reduced drag. These features help the Purosangue strike a balance between high performance and reasonable fuel consumption for a V12-powered vehicle. Customization is a key aspect of the Purosangue experience. Ferrari offers a wide range of personalization options, from bespoke interior trims to unique exterior paint finishes. Buyers can choose from an array of premium materials, stitching patterns, and carbon fiber accents to create a one-of-a-kind SUV that reflects their personality. The exclusive Ferrari tailor-made program takes customization even further, allowing for virtually limitless design possibilities. The driving experience of the 2025 Purosangue is nothing short of exhilarating. The naturally aspirated V12 delivers an immediate and linear power surge, accompanied by a spine-tingling exhaust note. The precise steering, sharp throttle response, and lightning-fast gear shifts create a driving experience that is true to Ferrari's racing DNA. Whether on a winding mountain road or a high-speed highway, the Purosangue remains composed and engaging, offering a perfect balance of power and control. Despite being an SUV, the Purosangue maintains the soul of a Ferrari sports car. Its low center of gravity, advanced aerodynamics, and meticulously tuned suspension ensure a dynamic and confidence-inspiring ride. The carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, bringing the Purosangue to a halt with ease even from high speeds. The multiple driving modes, including wet, comfort, sport, and ESC off, allow drivers to tailor the car's behavior to their preferences and road conditions. With the 2025 Purosangue, Ferrari has redefined what an SUV can be. It seamlessly combines the practicality and versatility of an SUV with the raw performance and driving excitement expected from a Ferrari. This model not only expands Ferrari's lineup but also sets a new benchmark in the high-performance luxury SUV segment. It remains a true Ferrari at heart, designed for enthusiasts who refuse to compromise between speed and utility. If you love high-performance cars and want to stay updated with the latest automotive content, make sure to subscribe to Motor Mania. Let us know your thoughts on the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue in the comments below. Thanks for watching Motor Mania.